Welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew family. We are going live on Saturday, a day earlier than normal because, we're going live today, Friday, a day earlier than normal, which is usually Saturday and a few hours earlier. Usually we go live Saturday, 3 p.m. Central Time, and Mondays, 8 p.m. Central Time, but I'm going out of town today, so I am going live a little bit early. So let's look at Bitcoin. I am going to share the stream as we wait for people to join. Also, since I'm going live earlier, I don't know what the turnout's going to be, but hopefully we get a few people in here. And we do have a Telegram group. Feel free to join that. I'm trying to get that active. Again, I think as the bull market comes back, it'll get more active. But that's kind of... So I want to... Why can't I pin this? Okay, I'll pin it on my phone. Alright, so just bear with me for a second. I'm also got to still go live on YouTube. Alright, so right now Bitcoin is really struggling, and I'm not very happy about that. That is kind of a bad thing. Because I'm in a Bitcoin long, and I feel like, well, it just doesn't want to play along with me today. So I'm playing the 4-hour chart right now. See, there it finally pinned. So I'm playing the 4-hour chart right now, and that's just kind of how I'm playing the market. I'm using this new indicator. It's called Ichimoku Cloud. So it's basically this level right here on the 4-hour chart. Before I say anything else, let me get going live on TikTok so that they can see what I'm talking about too, and then I don't have to repeat myself. So yeah, I think that's what we should do. Alright, like I was saying, bear with me. Alright, so I'm playing this 4-hour chart right now on Bitcoin. The channel is very tight because right now Bitcoin is very indecisive on what it wants to do. So basically my entry point was right here on the 4-hour chart where the green crossed above the red, which means technically Bitcoin should be in a bullish state. You also want the lines, this green line and the blue line and the red line, all to be above your entry point, meaning you should be short, or vice versa for long. So I entered at $26,620, $621 with a stop loss at 26.4 in a long position. And unfortunately right now it looks a little sketchy, but we have $85 of insurance room. We'll see what happens. I'm thinking we're sitting on support at 26,450, we'll call it, and to the upside 27.2 is resistance, and to the downside obviously I would be stopped at my long position, but then the next support to the downside is 25.7. so that's kind of what I'm looking at the markets. I'm really hoping for a bounce here, but as we get into the weekend it gets a little bit sketchier. What I like about this is the 15-minute chart right now is getting oversold, trying to get the bounce. Technically that's, I believe, a higher low on the 15-minute chart, maybe not. It's actually not, but the 15-minute chart did just make a higher high. So 15-minute chart to me is an uptrend short term. The 1-hour chart right now is oversold, so 1-hour chart could also save you. And the 4-hour chart has a little more steam to go to the upside, so this position might play out. We'll see what happens. But the daily chart is still very much bearish. I would say it's still bearish until at least right now you break 28,000. So we have a ways to go for that, but so I guess $1,500. So that's why I'm looking. 4-hour chart and smaller time frames, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 15-minute chart look like they could keep pushing up, and I'm in a long position based off that. So if you guys have a request for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. We are live on YouTube, so go check that out. I am going to make a video on Jasmine Coin. That way whoever's not watching the stream can go look at that. Jasmine did get a move up today, so we will look at that right now. And then if there's a request after that, great. If not, it's going to be a pretty quick stream, so bear with me while I record this. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Andrew channel. Let's look at Jasmine Coin here on the daily chart. Daily chart on the Ichimoku Cloud is still saying unless you get above this resistance at 60, you're still bearish. Right now, you're in a downtrend, I would still say, on the daily chart. Your next support is 361. Your next resistance to the upside is 435. If you go to the 4-hour chart, but the daily chart on the stock RSI is ready for a bounce, so you could definitely retest 436. as resistance. Now the 4-hour chart is getting close to being overbought. So like I said, you did get up to on the 4-hour chart 424. You could see 436 test as resistance get rejected. 4-hour chart would suggest that could definitely happen as you have a little more steam to go, but you're very close to being overbought. 1-hour chart is overbought and making a technically made a higher high from the previous one, but overall it's still in a downtrend. It's still trading but between 359, so we'll say 36 and 434. That's the range you're in. The 15-minute chart is trying to make a higher low and be in some sort of uptrend like this. But again, it continually, when you at least look on the daily chart, it's making higher lows and higher highs. So I would be surprised if you got above 434. Time will tell. Obviously, Bitcoin keeps moving up, like I hope it will. You could get above 434. Then your next resistance is 47. So short term, 434 is the first level you have to break. If you don't break that, then I would be looking for more downside action back to 3.6. If you guys enjoyed this analysis, I appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Join the Telegram group. It's free to join. And follow me on TikTok, CryptoBossAngel with 2 W's. I'll see you guys in the next update. So, anyways, that's where I see the crypto markets going. Short term, I'm hoping for a bounce on Bitcoin, but obviously, it's possible you keep going lower. And if that happens, then that happens. So, obviously, Bitcoin goes up, Jasmine will go up, and a lot of altcoins will follow whatever Bitcoin does. It's pretty much that simple. Short term, I'm calling for a move to the upside. I think you're on support. The smaller time frames, 4-hour chart and lower, all look like they could get a bounce, especially the 1 hour and 15. So we'll see what happens. But that's kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I'm hoping for a move to 27.2 again, and then from there, that would be. I mean, if we go to 27.2, that'd be a nice. That'd be really good for my position. So, anyways, with that being said, because it is a leveraged position, so if there's a request for altcoin, I'll look at them. Otherwise, with that being said, I am going to get on out of here. The next time we'll be live will be Monday, 8 p.m. Central Time. So, I just want to let you guys know that. Join the Telegram group. It's free to join. Go follow my other TikTok channel, CryptoBossAngel with 2 W's. I would appreciate that. But Bitcoin, to me, looks like could keep going up here based on what I'm looking at. But with that being said, guys, with no requests, I'm going to get on out of here. We'll be back live on Monday, 8 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday for our next live stream. I'll keep posting shorts throughout the weekend on YouTube and TikTok on my smaller channel, CryptoBossAngel with 2 W's. So go follow that. Like I said, that's where I post all my TikToks on my new TikTok account. So I will see you guys in the next live stream. It would be awesome before I end the stream if someone could hit the like. No one. All right. Well, I'm going to end it pretty quickly. That's what I see for Bitcoin. Back above 26.5. That's a good sign. So with that being said, I will see you guys on Monday. No one.